So now let's see how we can work around with content aware move tool inside a Photopea. So for that, I'm going to go around over here onto the healing section right here, the healing brush tool section, and over here you can see that content aware move tool is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag around, I can drag around this book, let's say for example, and if I were to click and drag, you can see that I can move around this content right here, just like this. So if I were to go around right here and then press enter, let's say for example click outside right here, then it tries to blend it in right here, just like this. So you can see that this content has been moved around over here. Let me just go around over here and take this water right here, just like this, and then move it out right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here and then press enter, let's say for example, and then you can see that that has been moved out. Similarly, I can go around and move this. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around and move this like stand around over here onto this section right here, just like this. Click outside right here, just like this, and then what happens is that that content gets moved over here onto the left hand side. And that is what you can do. You can utilize the content aware move tool to move out certain parts of the image right here from one place to another. So that is how you can work around with content aware move tool inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.